How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. You guys remember we went down to the Elk River and we bent our steps. So what we're going to do today is we're going to try to straighten these steps back out so we can get them to open and close. I don't think we're going to have much of a problem, but I'm going to show you the tool we're going to be using. I showed you this tool earlier. It's not a tool that we use very much, but it is a tool that we're going to use today to try to straighten out these steps. You can see where they bent pretty good right there. So we're going to try to get them to where we can get them pulled out and use them again. I hate to throw them away. It was a good set of steps. So let me show you the tool we're going to be using. This is the tool. You guys remember that. I did a video on it. I said you don't use it much, but when you do need it, it's a good tool to have. So we're going to get this thing set up and get it underneath there and see if we can push them steps back where they were. Okay, let's see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some pressure against the tire there. Hopefully this thing will push it out. And I'm just caught right on the lip of this. That's exactly where it bent from. You can see it going back out. Gonna give it a little bit of time to stretch that steel. There's actually a metal plate up underneath of here. There's a metal plate right there. I'm going to try to bend that plate down. It bent up a little bit. I think I could get it to bend down. Not the prettiest looking thing. Let's see if we go a little bit further. We want to do it without breaking it. And that's just with pushing against the tire. Let's see what happens when we go back. That's not too bad. See, there's that plate right here. This is the beam that was a little bit bent. But I'm going to get a bar and see if I can straighten it up a little bit. Actually, they're actually pretty tight in there. I don't think we hurt them that much. We can't use them, that's for sure. That step don't look too bad. It's a little tight against that side. I think we're going to leave it. That step works perfectly fine. I think it's going to work out good. Okay, there's our steps. Not too bad. I think they were going to work pretty good. Of course, you had to wiggle them a little bit before. And this mat wants to hit that thing a little bit. Let's see. Okay, our steps are going to work pretty good. They're a little bit tight in there, but I think this mat makes it a little bit tight too. So we'll be okay. I think they'll work great. Now, don't forget, remember I told you about this toolkit. That little kit, you don't use it very much, but when you do need it, it does come in handy for simple little projects just like bending your steps back into place. I love the little tool. Definitely a good tool to have around the shop. Alright, that was just a quick little video on how I straightened them steps back out. If you guys didn't see the Elk River video where we went camping down at the Elk River and actually bent the steps, I'll leave a link at the top of the page so you can see the trip down there, which was pretty awesome. But I did want to tell you guys, I'll leave a link in the description down below for that tool that we use to straighten the steps out. It's not a tool that you're going to use all the time, but when it comes to a project like this, it's pretty nice to have something like that to actually be able to straighten out a piece of metal or a piece of framework or something like that. It really works great. I'll leave a link in the description down below for Amazon if you guys are interested in one of these tools. They're not very expensive. Definitely something nice to have in the shop. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.